Hey everyone, Andrew here from the Culips English podcast, and today I would like to introduce you to the expression to boogie, to boogie. Okay, now you may have heard this expression before because we commonly use the word boogie to mean dance. But we also have a second meaning for boogie, and that means to move really quickly, to move very fast. So if a car is boogieing, well, that means that car is driving really quickly. Or if some clouds in the sky are boogieing, well, that means the clouds are blowing very quickly across the sky. So to boogie, two meanings, to dance and to move quickly. Hope you enjoyed this video. Talk to you next time. Bye.